the eyes of the world now look into space, to the moon, and to the planets beyond. And we have vowed that we shall not see it governed by a hostile flag of conquest, but by a banner of freedom and peace. We have vowed that we shall not see a space filled with weapons of mass destruction, but with instruments of knowledge and understanding. For space science, like nuclear science and all technology, has no conscience of its own. Whether it will become a force for good or ill depends on man. But I do say that space can be explored and mastered without feeding the fires of war, without repeating the mistakes that man has made extending his writ around this globe of ours. We choose to go to the moon in this decade and do the other thing, not because they are easy, but because they are hard.
It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
Figure out, what is the universe made of? How does it work? How does our planet, our solar system, our galaxy fit in with the other pieces? And what don't we know yet? Helping us discover more pieces of the puzzle will be a new instrument on board the International Space Station called the Alpha Magnetic Spectrometer, or AMS. AMS is not a telescope. Rather than looking into space, it will sift through space, studying the high-energy particles of cosmic rays. From the unique vantage point of Earth orbit, the AMS experiment has the potential to answer questions about the origins of our universe. The study of high-energy particles might help in the search for dark matter and antimatter in the universe. Nobel Prize-winning scientist Professor Samuel Ting, well known for groundbreaking particle physics work on Earth, has collaborated with an international team to create the Alpha Magnetic Spectrometer, a high-energy particle detector that takes particle science into space.
Revealed a version of reality that was shocking, unsettling, and, for many, profoundly disturbing. According to these writings, everything, the universe, that God's people pray to, the suffering experienced in daily life, is part of a meticulously crafted illusion designed to keep humanity enslaved to a false creator. Yaldabaoth wasn't just content with creating a flawed universe. No, he wanted control. Absolute, unchallenged dominance over everything he had built. His arrogance wasn't limited to proclaiming himself as the one and only God. He went further. He implemented a system of manipulation, subjugation, and deceit so intricate that it became impossible for most beings within his creation to question it. This wasn't about random chaos, it was a calculated strategy. He established a hierarchy of cosmic enforcers known as the Archons, each assigned to oversee different aspects of his fabricated reality. Their primary mission was simple: keep humanity ignorant, keep them docile, and ensure they never discover the truth. These Archons weren't just cosmic bureaucrats, they were tyrants. Each one governed fundamental aspects of the material world: time, destiny, death, and even perception. Imagine entities that can warp reality at will, distort thoughts, and manipulate the fabric of existence without detection. According to the Gnostic texts, these beings didn't operate through overt destruction. Their weapon was deception. They embedded themselves into every layer of existence, twisting what people perceive as truth and replacing it with carefully crafted lies.